This video we're going to be doing a detailed comparison between TuneCore and Nation Digital Distribution. So this video is going to be a step-by-step video on which music distribution platform is the best, because currently right now I'm actually using both platforms for music distribution, and I'm going to be telling you guys the pros and cons of each platform. That'll be so much of your time. Let's dive into the video. So basically, you can see right here that I'm on the official website of TuneCore right here, and you could basically get started with TuneCore for $22.99. So apparently you're actually getting started with TuneCore for $23 every single year. So basically you're going to be paying $23 every single year to upload unlimited music. And basically you see right here that these are the list of stores that TuneCore actually distributes your music to. So you're going to be distributing your music to over 150 stores, and you're going to be keeping 100% ownership of your music and also 100% ownership of your earnings. So if you actually take a look at the TuneCore pricing right here, so you are going to be comparing both pricing together. So TuneCore has the unlimited plan right here, which starts at $23 a year. They also have their breakout artist plan that actually starts at $40 a year, and also their professional plan that actually starts at $50 a year. So this video I'm going to be walking you through each plan right here and what you are going to be getting on each plan. So right here for this rising artist plan right here, which is their basic plan right here, you're going to be getting the ability to keep 100% of your royalty. They're also going to be giving you official sales reports, and also you'll be able to schedule your own release date right here on their rising plan. Another features you're going to be getting on TuneCore right here is Spotify verified checkmark, and also Apple Music artist verification, and also you're also going to be getting access to artist revenue split right here on TuneCore. But one thing you should actually take in mind is that for TuneCore, if you are going to be collaborating with other artists, maybe for example, if you want to actually share revenue with other artists, the artist will need to pay a sum of $10 right here every single year for the artist to be able to receive their revenue from TuneCore. So that is one thing you should actually know about TuneCore. So if you're an artist that is planning to do some collaboration, you need to actually keep in mind that the artist you're going to be inviting on TuneCore is going to pay at least $10 right here for them to be able to receive their revenue from TuneCore. All of this plan actually offers unlimited release to social media. You can see right here their customer service response time is between 3 days for the rising plan, and for the breakout artist plan is between 2 days, and also for their professional plan basically is between 1 business days. And you can see right here, if you scroll down, you can see that these are all the features you're going to be getting on their plan right here. But guys, I'm going to advise, if you're going to be going for TuneCore rising plan, there is a lot of limitations right here on the TuneCore rising plan, because I could remember when I actually subscribed to the TuneCore rising plan, I was limited to a lot of features. Number one features is that you won't be able to upload your own UPC code or your own ISRC code. So let's just say if you want to move your music from one distribution company to TuneCore, you need to either upgrade to your professional plan, which is about $50 for you to be able to do that. And also, if you're going to be going with any of these two plans, which is the rising plan and the breakout artist plan, you won't be able to add in your label name, and also I think you will be able to add in the copyright name right here for your release right here. So let me quickly log in into my TuneCore account to actually tell you that I actually use both platforms for distribution. I'm in the best position to actually tell you the truth about both platforms. So guys, you guys see right here that this is my TuneCore account right here. You can see right here that I'm on the unlimited plan, which is their professional plan that actually cost $50 a year right here. So this is just to tell you that I actually know what I'm seeing right here. And like I said, I'm going to be walking you through the pros and cons of each platform, and also be walking you through which of this platform you should actually pick. One thing I would like you to know about TuneCore is that if you are going to be adding additional artists to your plan right here or to your release on TuneCore, you need to pay about $15 right here for you to add additional artists to your release. So let's just say you actually featured an artist on a track. So in order for you to actually add in that artist name on that track, you need to pay $15 you to be able to add the artist name on your track, which is total disgusting, because TuneCore right here wants you to keep on paying for additional features, because literally with all their plans right here that they say you could actually get this for so amount of money, like literally you are not going to be getting any features right here on their professional plan, because even if you subscribe to their professional plan, like, they are not going to be giving you good features, because like, how can you be paying $15 to add additional artists, to add featured artists to your track, which other music distribution platform like Nation Data Distribution and others actually do this for free? This is one thing that actually pissed me about TuneCore. So another thing you should also know about TuneCore is that TuneCore don't distribute your music to Audiomack and Boomplay. So if you're an African artist, you guys know that it's actually important for you to get your music on Audiomack and also on Boomplay, because these are where your fans literally listen to your song the most, because not everybody in Africa uses Spotify, Deezer and Apple Music. The most streaming platform that Africa do use right here is Audiomack and Boomplay. So if you're going to be signing up for TuneCore, please know that they are not going to be distributing your song to Audiomack and Boomplay. That is the cons of TuneCore. It doesn't even matter if you upgrade your plan to the professional plan. They are not going to be distributing your music on Audiomack. So if you know you are finding any value from the video so far to this point, please do well to give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So for TuneCore, approval date is between 3 days, 3 to 4 business days. So between 3 to 4 business days, they are going to be distributing your music on our streaming platform. So it's quite fast compared to other music distribution platform. So right now we are going to be comparing TuneCore with Nation Digital Distribution. So if I head over to Nation Digital Distribution right here, and I head over to their pricing right here, you guys will see right here that you could actually get started with their pricing for $20 a year, which I would say it's quite cheaper than TuneCore. So basically you're actually getting over $3 off your subscription on Nation Data Distribution. And you can see right here that you get to keep 100% of your royalty, and also they also release your music to over 250 plus stores. So if it actually comes to stores right here, Nation Data Distribution actually has more advantage than TuneCore, than any other music distribution platform. And you can see right here on their basic plan, you could actually customize your release date. You could also add in a customizable label name on their basic plan, which is something you can actually do on TuneCore basic plan, which is their rising artist plan right here. You can actually add in your label name unless you upgrade to their professional plan, which is the $50 plan right here. So another features that Nation Data Distribution offers right here is they offer YouTube OAC. So basically what this means is, this is for those of us that would like to claim our official YouTube channel on YouTube. So you could also do that on TuneCore, you could also do that on Nation Data Distribution. So their release approval time is between 3 days. So between 3 days, these guys will be able to get your song distributed on all streaming platforms, and your song will be available for people to actually listen to. So basically on their basic plan, you could only upload for one artist. And one thing I love about Nation Digital Distribution is you can actually add in additional artists to your release without actually paying a dime. For example, let's just say if you want to feature someone on your track, you could actually add them to your track without actually paying a dime. So it's actually free on Nation Data Distribution to add in additional artists, like featured artists, to your release right here. So basically it's free, but on TuneCore you are going to be paying $15 to add in featured artists like producer and any other additional artists on the track. Another thing I love about Nation Digital Distribution is that Nation Digital Distribution give you the ability to release cover song for free. So if you're an artist that do love to release a lot of covers, you could actually do that right here on Nation Digital Distribution. But I'll say on TuneCore, I don't think TuneCore actually give you the ability to release cover song, because it's not actually stated on their pricing plan. And also another thing I love about Nation Digital Distribution is their 24/7 customer support. Once it comes to customer support, like, no music distribution complaint stand a chance when it comes to customer support, because I would say with all the research I've done about all music distribution complaint, Nation Digital Distribution customer support is top notch, because literally these guys are super fast. And one thing I love about them is that they offer WhatsApp support, which a lot of music distribution companies like DistroKid, TuneCore, and Muse and other music distribution platforms don't offer. But on Nation Digital Distribution, you could literally just test them directly on WhatsApp. And one thing about Nation Digital Distribution is that even if you have an issue around 12 o'clock, maybe you're having issues when releasing your music, these guys are gonna attend to your issue. So it doesn't matter anytime you actually message them, this guy are ready to reply to all of your issues. And basically they are very fast in also distributing your song on all streaming platforms. So on their basic plan, they also offer YouTube content ID. They also offer free UPC code and ISRC code, which is something you do not get on TuneCore basic plan right here. So all this right here, you're getting all this for free. You're also getting Spotify verified check mark, access to fast royalty payout, and also if you like to like invite an artist, maybe if you like to like do a collaboration with an artist, you want an artist to like receive your revenue, maybe let's just say you're actually doing a 50-50 split on a track, you can actually do that on Nation Digital Distribution right here for free. So the artist don't need to actually pay a dime for the artist to be able to receive their money on Nation Digital Distribution. But guys, if you know you're finding any value so far from the video, please do well to give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So currently right now guys, I could tell you that all the tools, all the features you need right here as an independent artist, you could actually get it on Nation Digital Distribution basic plan without subscribing to their professional plan that actually costs $35 a year. So if you are going to be even subscribing to their professional plan, this is for artists that would like to distribute for multiple artists. So if you know you have about 5 artists or more that you like to distribute for, you could actually do that on their professional plan. So on the professional plan right here, you get to distribute unlimited music for 5 artists, and you can see right here that these are all the features you are going to be getting. They also have their label plan, which is for label. So one thing I love about this is that you could actually upload unlimited music for over 100 artists on their label plan, which is something TuneCore doesn't offer. So if you are gonna be so let's just say if you're a label and you have multiple artists on your roster, that means that you are gonna be paying $15 to add additional artists to your roster. So let's just actually just do the math right here. Let me head over to my calculator right here, and let's just say you are a record label owner, and let's just say you have about 20 artists right here on your roster. So let's just times 15 times 20. So 15 times 20 is going to be giving us $300, guys. $300 to add additional artists to our roster, and basically you're literally getting this for free on Nation Digital Distribution. So okay, let's just times in that $15 times 100. So let's just say assume you have 100 artists, guys. You're actually paying over $1,500 to add in additional artists on your release. Guys, I don't know, TuneCore is just great. Guys, if you're looking for a very good and reliable music distribution company you would like to get started with, I'm going to advise you actually head over to Nation Digital Distribution, create an account, sign up, and pick any of the plan that actually suits you the best. The links are going to be in the video description. You can also check out the comment, or you could actually just head over to your Safari or Chrome browser and type in Nation Digital Distribution. So if you know you want to learn more about music distribution, or you want to learn more about Nation Digital Distribution, I'm going to advise you actually click on the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.